Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction. Now if you want to find out more, you know what to do, stick around. I am your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget. And my co-hosts are Leona at Ebony, Ivy, and Time with Leona Dooley. And today's episode is entitled One Pot Meal Collaboration 2024. And I have simple rules, and your rules are: Number 1, follow proper collaboration protocol. Number 2, prepare a meal or appetizer in a crock pot, a rice cooker, a pressure cooker, etc. Also include your recipe in the description box for others to try. Number 3, use the title One Pot Meal Collaboration 2024. Number 4, mention all host and co-host channels in your video and link them in your description box. Number 5, you must be a subscriber to our channels. Number 6, use hashtag OnePotMeal2024 in your title and description. Number 7, there's no twist in this collaboration. Number 8, there will be a playlist available to add your videos. Number 9, have fun, and also remember the upload date is February 6, 2024, and the times are 4:45 p.m. Central Standard and 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard. Please, no early uploads. Now, if you have any questions or concerns about this collaboration, please let me know down below or email me at CreativelyMsMe@gmail.com. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.